We're gonna show you how to brush every inch of your pool as effective as possible. We're using an animal pool brush. Let's get into it.
I go to any pool though, is I brush down the tile. I want to brush up here because it might stir it.
Start at the stairs with
Our brush, depending on where you start in the pool, will kind of determine how you do it. When we have heavy dust in the pool, our brush vacuum head should have got just about everything, but there's still may be some left. What I like to do is I like to brush down the walls and the shelves first, and then do one long sweep to the main drain on the floor. See, the brush is always going to be moving towards that main drain.
Watch as we brush the walls all the way around and set ourselves up perfectly to be ready to brush the bottom in one sweep.
Right back at the same point I started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my pull as long as I can. This pool isn't very wide, so I can easily push all the way across. This is a 20-foot pole. When I pull the brush back, I'm spinning it, putting it right back on that line. Right outside that line I just brushed. Definitely could see some stuff stirred up in there, so a few things that are just gonna have to make its way to the filter.
Thank you for watching our video. I'm Spencer. This is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here. Please subscribe right here. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below and like the video.